1. The excretory unit of the human kidney is B. Nephron. The main nitrogenous waste excreted by human beings is A. Urea. Which organ in humans is responsible for filtering blood to remove waste materials? C. Kidney. The tube through which urine is passed out of the body is called B. Urethra. Which part of the nephron is responsible for the filtration of blood? A. Bowman's capsule. In which form is excretory waste eliminated from plants? B. Oxygen and water. The process of removing metabolic waste from the body is called B. Excretion. Dialysis is used when which organ of the human body fails? C. Kidneys. Which structure stores urine temporarily in human beings? C. Bladder. Which of the following is not a function of the kidney? B. Regulation of blood sugar. Which of the following helps in the reabsorption of water in the nephron? B. Loop of Henle. Which organ removes carbon dioxide from the blood? C. Lungs. Which waste product is excreted through the skin in humans? C. Sweat, water plus salts plus urea. Which of the following is not involved in excretion in humans? D. Small intestine. Which structure carries urine from the kidney to the urinary bladder? C. Ureter. In plants, excretion primarily occurs through A. Stomata and lenticels. Which process occurs in the Bowman's capsule of a nephron? B. Ultrafiltration. Which hormone regulates the amount of water reabsorbed by the kidneys? C. ADH, antidiuretic hormone. Which blood vessel brings dirty blood into the kidney for filtration? D. Renal artery. Which of the following is a condition where a person's kidneys stop working properly? D. Kidney failure. Which of the following removes excess water and waste in amoeba? B. Contractile vacuole. Which among the following is not a nitrogenous waste product? C. Oxygen. Which part of the nephron carries filtered blood away from the glomerulus? B. Efferent arteriole. In which form do birds and reptiles excrete nitrogenous wastes? C. Uric acid. Which blood vessel carries clean blood away from the kidney? B. Renal vein. The main function of the urinary bladder is to C. Store urine temporarily. Which structure is present only in the excretory system of earthworms? A. Nephridia. Which excretory product is most toxic and needs to be diluted with water? B. Ammonia. Which part of the nephron is responsible for selective reabsorption? B. Proximal convoluted tubule, PCT. The cup-shaped structure in the nephron where filtration starts is called C. Bowman's capsule.